Hello and welcome to the mobile demo of wellness app FitZEN. I will quickly present the main features of the app that make it stand out from its competition. So let's get started. Simplicity and efficiency were keywords in mind when designing. Thus, the onboarding is seamless and informative process that help user understand what the app is about. The login sign-up sections are pretty standard and intuitive. And getting to know the user needs is the main priority. So we have a questionnaire section included in the sign-up process. But we'll skip it for now and go through the second onboarding, which is just a quick detailing of the main buttons from the home page. And once signed up, the user is prompted to the dashboard, and we have this cool feature where you can personalize your own fitness plan. You can select your fitness goals, the duration of the program, and you can also choose the diet that you wish to follow. You can also place the type of workouts in the order of preference, and finally you can select if you want sleep tracking to be included in the process. This aims to give a holistic experience regarding your fitness and well-being, taking in consideration all the details that go into it. In case you don't wish to create a program, but instead you want to get stuck right in, you just go to workouts on the navigation bar, and you can pick from a variety of exercises. We try to categorize these exercises the most intuitive way we could, so the user can jump in to where he left off, or can start an exercise by the body part that he wants to target. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. And here there's another feature that we believe will help you get the right results and improve on your progress. So we added a logbook feature where we've given the user the option to document the fitness journey. Here we can see the latest medical entry, and you can find all the notes in the logbook section, or you can add new entry, either by adding a new folder to a group, or by going to an existing folder and just adding a note to the date. The possibility to create your personalized fitness plan or to choose your workouts as you go, plus the logbook feature, are the main elements that we believe will help you achieve your goals and sustain your well-being. Thank you for listening.